broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know.
This is the KWA VM4 Ronin 10 SBR, and I am super excited to have it here today. Internally, you can expect features like a high torque motor and a high speed gear set. This gun has a feature that some guns just don't have these days, and that's the ability to fully adjust the FPS through the stock with the quick change tool that I don't have here today, so I really can't show you that feature, but it's still really cool that a company like this offers something like this. What you can see here are these full metal upper and lower receivers. The upper receiver is modular and can be swapped out for another upper under the same Ronin family. Oh yeah, and these Ronin uppers, yeah, they start at around 200 bucks. This gun has a CNC machined 10-inch key mod handguard and a PTS grip that feels great. I know, most of us wear gloves when we play, but I still like the added grip here. It just feels more comfortable in my hand, and that's comparing it to the Defiance grip that you can find on the Trident Mark II. This gun also has an enlarged trigger guard, so bulky gloves are not an issue. The gun has an ambidextrous fire selector switch, as you would expect on a gun at this price point. The cost for this gun? $340. The 10 SBR also has a fully functional charge handle, but it doesn't lock, so you have to hold it when you adjust the hop up. The dial isn't numbered either. The gun has front and rear PTS flip-up sights that are made of polymer, but they still feel sturdy. It also has a MOX suppressor with an orange tip on it. Now let's talk about the stock. It's adjustable and it clicks into place like it should. What people really seem to like about this stock is the battery space. There's a lot of it. Now let's chrono this thing.
A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
The chrono showed solid numbers, and very legal at that. So now let's see what what it looks like, let's see what it sounds like, and let's see what it feels like. Right there. Pegging it every time. Jeez. This thing's nasty. Keep in mind we got some .2s in here, which is a bad idea, but we won't let her rip anyway. This is not firing. What the Hades? Here we go. You know, for .2s, pretty straight. Huh. I think shoots laser beam. Jeez, this thing's fantastic. My final thoughts on this gun. It's solid. No, it's better than solid. It is a great gun. It sounds better than the Crytek. It actually feels better in my hands than the Crytek. But I just don't know if it's more accurate than the Crytek. For now, let's just say it's a great gun. And if you get a chance to use one, take it.